Hello YouTubers, I'm working on a Ranger AR-3500, and one of the things that I installed in this radio are some crystal heaters, and I think I might be able to work this screwdriver there. There's one there, and then there's another one right there. And the reason why they're in here are, I've got this on channel 35 CB frequency, and I also have a Kenwood over here, and it's got a crystal oven in it, so it's very stable, a TXCO. So anyway, it's also not hooked up to an antenna. So anyway, I have this Ranger on lower sideband, and I have the Kenwood on lower sideband. And you can tell that it's on frequency. A little bit, maybe a 1 hertz off, but it's pretty tight. I'm going to change it over to upper sideband, which is, well, that would be 6 o'clock, but actually it's the 12 o'clock position when the radio is oriented correctly. I'm going to go over here, change this to upper sideband. You can hear the CW letter for you. Anyway, same deal. Audio. It's on frequency. Pretty cool. So, one of the things that this crystal heater does, and based on this code, it heats it up to about 40 C, which is nearing the 100 degrees, or maybe a little over that Fahrenheit. I haven't done the calculation. But I've got one of those pyrometers here that I have. Actually, I don't like this very much, but it does work. And I've got it on hold. And what I'm going to do is attempt to point this beam there and get a reading on there, kind of a high temperature reading. And what you can see is, yeah, it's about 90, 92, 93 degrees. Both of those crystals are essentially about at the same temperature. So one of the things to kind of think about is that if you've got a export type radio like this one, or a CB, or a 148, or several types of transceivers, you might want to check into these. I believe they're about equivalent of about $10, $11 a piece, and I had to use 2 on this rig. They take somewhere between, I believe, 5 and 12 volts, and you can find that on the chassis of the radio. So anyway, here's the company, located in Germany, and basically pretty simple. You've got a hot wire and a ground, and basically some heat shrink material, and it really will stabilize the radio. So I highly recommend it. Hope you guys investigate it and have fun with it.